Nathan with Complete Water Solutions, and we're following along with our RO troubleshooting guide. And our next topic that we're going to talk about is actually concentrate flow, not enough flow, but we have normal or high operating pressure. This would probably be an indication of scale or biofouling on the RO membranes, and we need to probably clean them at this time. Again, we can't stress this enough. When you're going to go clean your RO membranes, please be sure to look at the manufacturer's recommendations when cleaning your RO system. If you clean the membranes improperly or not properly, you can actually cause irreversible damage to the RO membranes. So please, please, please check your RO manufacturer specifications when it comes to cleaning your RO membranes. If you have questions or you have concerns, feel free to email us or give us a call. Our phone number and our email is in the link below.